and I was sitting with Ryan, and I went to try to balance it on his nose, and he's like, it's not gonna work. I'm Asian. He says that. His excuse for everything is that he's Asian.
I still put him in the Polynesian category.
I don't know the difference, I guess. I'm not really sure where the Philippines are.
I'm touching your foot.
My 7th graders had to do like an Asia, like they had to name, like identify all the countries in Asia. I haven't even heard of them.
Like
Like, okay.
No, I'm still hungry.
Are you videotaping me hiccuping? I hate you.
Not a video without Sarah's laughter in the background. And the question of, are you recording? She's recording again, you guys. She's recording again. No, that's what people do. They're like, did you take the picture yet? Oh, you're right. Why are you stopping?